Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can export your mind maps in your account on Miro. So let us dive into this, guys. So for demonstration purposes, let me navigate to this mind map here I created just a few days ago and here on Miro. So what you want to do, guys, is once you're content with your board, as you can see, I added a couple of example items to that mind map. You may simply click into these three dots here in the top left corner next to the mind map's name, hover your mouse over edit, and here guys, hover your mouse over, let me find it again, hover your mouse over board, and here click into export and select one of these options, guys. So you can export your board, for example, to your Google Drive account as a presentation, for example, PowerPoint, download it as a backup, or for instance, you may also convert it into a spreadsheet in a CSV file format, guys. You may save it, of course, also as a PDF, and last but not least, also as an image, like for example, in JPEG file format with that resolution in your top left corner. Of course, guys, you may have access to other resolution and file types provided, of course, or depending on your membership status here on Miro, I am given access only to this one option. So let me export it as an image just for the sake of this tutorial. And there you go, it has been saved. Now that's how it would look like in a JPEG, for example. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.